In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva Magic Studio AI tools. First, open your design so you are working right inside the Canva editor. Having the canvas visible helps you see changes in real time and place results exactly where you want them. Let's start with Magic Media, which turns text into images, graphics, or even videos. In the editor, go to Apps, then choose Magic Media. Pick the tab that fits what you need: images, graphics, or videos. In the prompt box, describe what you want to see with clear, specific details. Think subject, setting, mood, and any must-have elements. Then select a style, like filmic for a cinematic look or watercolor for something softer and artistic. Click Generate and wait a moment. If the first result isn't perfect, refine your prompt with a few more details or try a different style. Once you are happy, drop the result onto your design and resize or position it as needed. Next up is Magic Eraser, a pro tool for removing distractions or modifying parts of an image. Select an image on your canvas, click Edit or Edit Photo, and choose Magic Eraser. Brush over the object you want gone, like a stray sign, a blemish, or background clutter, and let the tool fill in the area intelligently. Take your time around edges for a cleaner finish, and if a spot needs more work, brush it again for a second pass. For your text, use Magic Write to draft or improve copy without leaving the editor. Click any text box or press the / key on your keyboard to bring up Magic Write. Enter a prompt describing what you need. Generate fresh text. Summarize something long or rewrite a rough draft for clarity or a specific tone. You can also ask for a shorter or longer version. Read the output. Tweak your prompt if needed, and then paste or apply the text that fits your design. Finally, let's fix framing and composition with Magic Expand and Magic Grab. Both pro features. Select a photo and click Edit Photo. Choose Magic Expand to extend the background beyond the original frame, great for creating more breathing room for headlines or adjusting aspect ratios without cropping key subjects. If you need to reposition elements, choose Magic Grab. It separates objects so you can select and move them as if they were individual layers. Nudge a person to one side to balance your layout, or shift a product so text fits better. After moving objects, zoom in and check edges to make sure everything blends naturally. That's it for this walkthrough of Canva's Magic Studio AI tools. Thanks for watching.